Hello students, Chapter 3 Factors and Multiples. You have already done the first exercise of this chapter. We are going to start from highest common factor HCF. So what is HCF? The highest common factor HCF or greatest common divisor, both are same, is the greatest number which divides two or more number without a remainder. Okay, it means that number which divides the given number without a remainder is the HCF of that numbers. For example, find the HCF of 12 and 16. First we have to find the factors of 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now write down the common factors of 12 and 16. 1, 2, 4 are the common factors. In these common factors, 4 is the highest common factor. So the highest common factor means HCF is 4. HCF is the highest common factor. Okay? There is another method to find HCF, prime factorization method. In this method we have to find the prime factors of number first. 44. What are the prime factors of 44? So we start with the first prime factor, means 2. 44 is divisible by 2, so 2 divided by 44. 44 divided by 2 gives 22. 22 divided by 2 gives 11. 11 divided by 11, 1. This is the factor of prime factors of 16 and these are the prime factors of 36. So write down the factors of 44. 2 into 2 into 11. 60 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So common factors of 44, 60 and 36 are 2. 2 is the common factor in these three numbers. So we select these numbers. Again 2 is all again common factors in these three numbers. So again we select these numbers. So common factors are 2 and 2. Now to find the HCF we have to find the product of these common prime factors. So common prime factors are 2 and 2. The product of these two numbers is 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So HCF of these three numbers is 4. Okay. In exercise 3.2, question number A, find the HCF by finding all factors. You have to find HCF by finding all factors. In B and C part, you have to find HCF by prime factorization method. Both methods I already told you. Okay. Now take a look on question number 4 of part A. 14, 21 and 28. You have to find the factors HCF of these three numbers with the method of finding factors. So factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, 14. Factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21. And factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So the common factors are 1 and 7. But the highest common factor is 7. So HCF of 12, 14, 21 and 28 is 7. C part, find the HCF by the prime factorization method. Fourth question, 49, 70 and 77. Prime factors of 49 are 7 and 7. Prime factors of 70 are 2, 5, 7. Prime factors of 77 are 7 and 11. Okay. So common factors in all these numbers is 7. Okay, 49 factors are 7 and 7, 70, 7, 5, 2, and 77, 7 and 11. Only 7 is the common factor in all these three numbers. So the HCF of 49, 70 and 77 is 7. If there is another common factor in these number, then we multiply both the common factors, then we will find the HCF. Okay, if there is any problem in any question, you can ask. You have to do all these questions in your notebook, A, B and C, all parts of these questions. Okay, thank you.